Chick-fil-A, why are you here? Can't I have 1 week without you coming to my house? Come on, man. You know what we've got is better. We got chicken sandwiches. We got chicken sandwiches with pickles. We got waffle fries, and we got chicken strips. And don't forget our delicious sauce. That's it. I'm gonna fight you. Oh, chill. I'm finally gonna end you, and I'll enjoy it. Okay, just tell me what you think is funny. I can never be killed. But Chick-fil-A, you forgot one thing. And what was that? It's Sunday. Oh wait, it is? Oh, okay, see ya.